Hope for the best, prepare for the worst. That is what every prepper agrees with, and in a crisis, you need tools that will help you tackle any adversity. The more dependable the tool, the better the survival. That brings us to today's video of 35 Doomsday survival gear and gadgets preppers should have. Let us get started. Dependable lighting can be the key to navigating through chaos, and the ThruNite Catapult Pro flashlight delivers the kind of performance that preppers can rely on. This compact searchlight pushes a stunning 2700 lumens of brightness, far outshining any run-of-the-mill flashlight. Thanks to its high-performance LED and a robust 5000 mAh lithium-ion battery, which conveniently recharges via USB-C, this flashlight is built to keep going when others fail. What sets the Catapult Pro apart is its ability to light up targets a full kilometer away. Whether you're scanning for threats or signaling for help, it's got the reach. Its tough aircraft-grade aluminum body doesn't just provide unmatched durability. This is the kind of gear that belongs in every bug-out bag, a flashlight that ensures you're never left in the dark when it truly matters. In a doomsday scenario, having the right tools at your fingertips can make all the difference. And the SOL Phoenix Multi-Purpose Survival Tool is the kind of gear you don't want to be without. This compact and lightweight powerhouse, no bigger than a pocket knife, packs 8 crucial survival functions, ensuring you're prepared for the unexpected. From fire-starting capabilities, including a waterproof tinder that burns up to 3 minutes and a reliable ferro rod, to a fixed drop-point knife with a serrated edge for cutting through kindling or rope, the Phoenix has it all. Its built-in wrench comes in handy for gear repairs, while the flathead screwdriver allows for easy access to battery compartments. In a pinch, the LED light provides much-needed illumination, with a flashing mode for emergency signaling, and the 100 decibel whistle ensures you're heard when help is needed. Weighing just 7 ounces, it's ideal for tossing in your go bag, offering multifunctional use without adding bulk, giving peace of mind for the unexpected challenges that lie ahead. ProCampTech Fire Strip Roll stands out as an indispensable item for anyone serious about preparedness. Measuring 50 feet in length and compressed into a compact 3-inch puck, this fire starter is made from thick, fibrous timber pulp soaked in water-resistant wax, ensuring it lights up even in damp conditions. Its design allows for easy storage in backpacks or survival kits, ready to be deployed at a moment's notice. Using it is simple. Just cut a length from the roll, fray the edges, and ignite it with a ferro rod, flint-based wheel igniter, or a simple lighter. Whether you're navigating harsh environments or hunkering down in your bug-out location, the Fire Strip Roll delivers consistent fire-starting performance, removing the worry of wet or unreliable tinder. This essential tool is tailored for those who refuse to leave their survival to chance, offering a practical and compact solution to staying warm and cooking when things go south. In a doomsday survival situation, staying connected and powered up could be critical, and the Big Blue solar charger is the kind of charger that gets the job done. Designed for rugged outdoor use, this charger offers an impressive energy conversion rate of up to 23.5%, outperforming most typical solar chargers that barely hit 15%. Equipped with 3 USB Type-A ports, the Solar POA allows for simultaneous charging of multiple devices, delivering up to 5-volt BT 2.4A per port, ensuring you're never left with dead electronics. Its smart charge technology automatically adjusts output to suit each device, safeguarding against overcharging, overheating, and short circuits. The foldable design not only maximizes solar absorption, but also keeps everything compact for transport. With its zippered pocket for device security and built-in ammeter display, this solar charger ensures you're always powered up and prepared for whatever challenges come your way. In a doomsday survival scenario, you need a reliable communication device like the Midland ER310 emergency crank radio. This versatile device combines an AM/FM radio with NOAA weather alerts, ensuring you stay informed about changing conditions. With its powerful LED flashlight featuring multiple settings, low beam, high beam, and a flashing Morse code SOS, the ER3110 lights up the darkest nights. It operates on a rechargeable battery, which can be conveniently charged via USB or through hand cranking, although the latter is a slower process. The user-friendly design allows easy switching between AM, FM, and NOAA bands with a simple press of a button, while tuning is easily managed with up and down buttons. A cool feature is the WX Alert function, which silently monitors NOAA broadcasts and sounds an alarm when severe weather warnings are issued. Overall, compact, multifunctional, and dependable, the Midland ER310 is essential for anyone serious about survival when the unexpected strikes. When venturing into the backwoods, having a reliable shelter is crucial, and the One Tigris Bushcraft Shelter 2.0 is designed with survivalists in mind. Crafted from 75D ripstop nylon, this shelter is built to withstand the elements with its waterproof seams. Weighing only 1450 grams, it fits for backpacking, traveling, and camping. The versatile design allows to set up a porch area with the canopy or zip it up into a sturdy A-frame tent. With features like reinforced grommets, wide double K zippers, and a double-layered entrance for superb ventilation, this tent is ready for any season. The thoughtful details, including a lantern attach point and tie-out points for extra stability, make it a standout choice. Plus, it comes with 10 lightweight aluminum stakes, 6 guy lines, and a waterproof compression bag for easy carrying. Whether you're trekking or hiking, the One Tigris Bushcraft Shelter 2.0 can be the perfect fit for any prepared survivalist. Clean water is crucial in any survival situation, and access to it will increase your survival tenfold. That is where the Grail Ultra Press comes in. It isn't just compact and easy to use, but it also ensures you're drinking safe, purified water wherever you are. It removes waterborne pathogens and is built from CP4 Grade 1 titanium, making it incredibly durable and lightweight. The laser-engraved topo art adds a sleek touch, but it's not just about looks. The OnePress Global Filtration System is award-winning for a reason. It's ridiculously easy to use. Just fill, press, and drink. Plus, it has a one-way silicone valve and a paracord D-ring loop, and it fits any cup holder. You can also use it to heat food and water, perfect for those cold nights. And with ultra-powdered activated carbon, it even handles heavy metals and chemicals. It's also drink mix ready, so you can add electrolytes or flavor without clogging the filter. A fire starter is a must-have for any outdoorsman, and survival preppers know just how crucial it can be. With this in mind, we found the Wolf and Grizzly fire set. This handy tool ensures you can reliably ignite a fire in any condition, providing warmth, cooking food, purifying water, and signaling for help. Crafted from ferrocerium, this little stick is the best one when it comes to lighting fires. Weighing just 2.23 ounces, it's easy to carry but packs a punch with big sparks every strike. It's designed to last a whopping 20000 strikes, making it far more durable than any typical matches or lighter. Plus, it generates sparks at a blazing 5,400 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring you can start a fire on the first strike every time. The striker is made of high-quality knife steel, so you can sharpen it like any other blade. And for those emergency situations, the included paracord has jute tinder inside. Just cut it open, and it's ready to go. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just prepping for the unexpected, the Wolf and Grizzly fire set is the most reliable fire starting tool. Reliable power isn't always guaranteed in emergencies. Without power, most of your devices will fail in a few hours and you will be cut off from communication. Then utilizing the power of the sun will be the way forward. The QuadraPro Solar Power Bank does exactly that. It gives you a dependable source of energy, no matter where you are. This power bank charges for free using 4 high-powered 5.5-watt solar panels, giving you sustainable energy straight from the sun. With an 8,000 milliamp hour battery capacity, it's powerful enough to charge up to 3 devices at once. Plus, the built-in LED flashlight is perfect for those dark, off-grid nights. Whether you're off the grid or in a blackout, the QuadraPro Solar Power Bank ensures you're never without power. When the situation gets tough, the Ultimate Survival Tips MSK1 can be the go-to solution for different survival situations. Built to tackle any challenge, this rugged 1/4-inch thick blade, crafted from black oxide-coated D, 2 semi-stainless steel promises durability with its razor-sharp, fine edge. Its design merges power and precision, featuring a tough clip point for piercing and a medium belly for versatile chopping and slicing. The handle boasts a natural feel with canvas micarta, front and rear guards, and a comfortable grip. What sets the MSK1 apart is its innovative survival kit stored in the handle, packed with essentials for fire starting, water purification, and more. With features like a fire steel striker, stainless steel bow drill divot, and lashing holes, it's designed for ultimate adaptability. Plus, the switchable nylon Kydex sheath offers versatile carry options. For a sharpened companion to survive any doomsday situation, this knife can be your most reliable tool.